He said, "Wasn't your hair different yesterday?" Baby, I'm a black woman. My hair was different 5 minutes ago. 'Cause one thing about us, we gonna switch it up, 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 and feel no ways about it. Might be curly at breakfast, straight for lunch, and braided by Zenaboo. Killing every style, of course, 'cause that's just how we do. So, yeah, my hair is different, but so is our style. A black woman in her switch-up be the best. You never know what she going with, so don't even try to guess. On Monday, she might have box braids with a honey blonde flare. Then on Tuesday, her coworkers talking about, "Oh my God, did you cut your hair?" No, Susan, I just took my braids out, and tomorrow I might have a frohawk. So get used to it, 'cause every time I change my hair, I am not giving a TED Talk. A black girl is too blessed to be stressed. So she might rock her natural, but take a little break with a silk press. Folk be pressed, asking, "Is that your hair?" Real blunt. But whether I grew it or I bought it, it's mine, so face front, don't front. A black
Walking in my purpose, can't nobody stop me. Every single step, I'm becoming who I'm meant to be. Focused on my path, I'm the one, I'm the key. Living out my dreams, yeah, I'm walking in my destiny. Purpose is my guide, I won't be denied. With every stride, I feel alive. Overcoming, thriving, I won't hide. In my purpose, I confide.